Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and a happy Wednesday, y'all. Kenya Moore apologizes about her Halloween costume. Baby, we're talking about Derrick Jaxn and all the mess that is surrounding it. We're talking about that and a lot more. You know what to do. Grab your tea, grab your beverage, let's go. Happy Wednesday, y'all, and happy hump day indeed. How's your week going so far? Are you making it through? Are you ready for the weekend? We're almost there. We're halfway there. Oh my goodness, already. My week is going great so far. Let me tell you something. I don't know what happened. Have y'all ever heard the term fighting with the devil? I don't know what it was, but I tossed and turned all night last night. And I think, the doll is getting a little wiser in age, honey. I think I might have just had indigestion. I don't know. But I woke up bright eye and bushy tail at 4 a.m. and I was like, oh no, this is not my life. This spirit of insomnia will not take me out. So I had to turn on my little white noise machine again and try to fall back to sleep. But baby, anyways, so I apologize if I have little bags under the eyes. We're going to try to roll that away. And I'm going to use a little extra eye cream today, child, because, I can't be on these Zoom calls looking tired, honey. All right, so let's talk. Now, do you guys use the DoorDash app? I just recently downloaded the DoorDash app last week when I was sending Graham some food. Now, for her birthday, because Graham just had a 78th birthday, y'all. Looking good and everything. Anyway, so I sent Graham some food off of DoorDash, so I bought her dinner. And so I normally use like Uber Eats. Well, guess what DoorDash is doing? DoorDash is including a new delivery service within their platform. You can now get your own COVID test delivered directly to your door. Yes, you too can administer your own COVID test at home. Now, we're going to keep it real. That sounds real fine and dandy and all, convenience, privacy. But have y'all seen that stick? Do you not know how far that stick has to go up your nose in order to properly test whether or not you got the Rona? No God, not my ministry. Because let me tell you something. I would be the joker that will bump around, play around, and give myself a whole lobotomy trying to stick that stick up my nose. That is a service I do not want. Well, in case you want to administer your own lobotomy, you're in the city of Denver, Phoenix, Dallas, Chicago, or Cleveland, you can, and there are a few other cities. They're actually signing up 12 cities to start out with, 12 major cities, for this at-home delivery type service of the COVID-19 testing. Personally, I feel like Dallas should sit this one out because, the governor has already opened up the entire state of Texas. And by the way, speaking of Texas, I had a friend FaceTime me last week. So I'm out in the middle of the street with my little gym clothes on, little cute little matching outfit too, y'all, because I was heading to the gym. And I answered the FaceTime. He's like, well, what you wearing? And I was like, what do you mean, what am I wearing? I'm like, I got on gym clothes. He's like, no. And I realized that fool was talking about my mask. I'm like, Ninja, we are still in a whole panini. I'm, of course, wearing a mask. Because even though Florida may be the ghetto, our governor has not opened up our state and made us the mark of the beast. So for all y'all in other cities and states outside of Texas, if y'all feel like y'all want to do this at-home kit, go ahead and do it. I think because Texas governor has opened them up wide open, they should not have the option to get a home delivered COVID test, child. Anyways, now, here's my question, beauty besties. If you have the option to get your COVID test delivered personally to your home for you to administer yourself, y'all doing it? Let me know. Kenya Moore Hair Care. Every time I say her full name, I have that in my head. So Kenya Moore has officially issued an apology because of her Halloween costume from Sunday's night episode. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something, beauty besties. I sat on my couch with my wine and watched that episode and literally sat there and thought to myself, am I the only one that sees a problem with this outfit that she's wearing? Like, I literally was just like, she has on a whole Native American outfit. And I'm sure in the realms of Native American people and the culture, wearing this type of outfit is problematic. Outside of a cultural appropriation, but I'm like, something about this outfit seems to be like whatever, and it should not be worn by regular Kenya Moore. Well, apparently the headdress was problematic because the headdress Kenya was wearing is designed to be worn by a warrior who has earned the right to wear it. Well, child, the Illumi Native, which is a nonprofit on Instagram, sent out a whole tweet, child, calling it out as deeply problematic and everything else. Side note, oh my God, this is a new lip balm that's coming out by MAC called Glow Play Lip Balm. And it's so conditioning. Look at my lips. It's so conditioning. It's hydrating. It's delicious. They have colors too, but they also do a clear one. I do the clear one. I keep it by my computer when I'm on my calls because, you know, I love a good hydrated lip. Look at... Let's just take a lip appreciation moment. Ow. Anyways, so Illuminative, which like I said is a nonprofit organization, called out Bravo on the insensitive action of Kenya. Let me tell you something. Anything that has Illumini in the name sounds very ancient and Da Vinci Code, like I can go missing type of ish. Well, Illuminative, like I mentioned, is a nonprofit organization for Native people, and they did a tweet upset with Bravo that they allow Kenya to wear this. Now, it's dark in here. Lord child, the light was off. And let there be light. Sorry. Anyways, so they said they were upset with Kenya, and Bravo responded saying that, you know, they thought that when they filmed it, they thought this would be a teachable moment by Kenya wearing this outfit. Teachable for who? First of all, it's not. Second of all, they thought it was going to be a teachable moment, but they realized that they failed to call out that it could be problematic by Kenya wearing it, and that they missed the mark on that, and they plan on doing better. First of all, y'all know good and well that was not going to be nobody's teachable moment, but that was a viewer moment designed to cause this type of conversation to happen, because y'all know that BJ's cocktail snack party that Fallon threw at her house, which again was really nicely decorated on the front part of the house, was boring, and y'all needed something to talk about. So between Fallon fighting and Kenya wearing this Native American problematic outfit, that was the reason why y'all didn't say anything, and y'all kept it in the actual episode itself. And you know that they did it on purpose, because Kenya called her outfit a warrior princess outfit when she got there. Bravo titled that outfit as a Native American costume. Exactly. So Bravo apologized, and now Kenya is apologizing, saying that she realizes in hindsight that her outfit was problematic and insensitive, and when you know better, you do better, blah, 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 blah. Girl, it's 2020 when you wore it, and it's 2021 now. You knew better, but you still chose to wear that outfit. Okay. New foundation alert. Before I get started and lose my train of thought, I'm doing my skin today with MAC's new Studio Fix Tech foundation. I haven't got a chance to play with it since they reformulated it, so I wanted to do my skin with it today. I might do a tutorial using this for this weekend, so I'll let you know. Hey, do you guys want to see me do a tutorial using this new foundation and one of the Glow Play lip balms this weekend? Because I can. Let me know. But I'm using my 170 brush because it's nice and dense. And I love it because even though it's a brush, it really acts like one of those beauty blenders. Ooh. So let's see. Before we go into our next topic, I'm just going to pick up a little. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give myself a little light mist. Because, you know, I love a good mist opportunity, child. And we're going to go in. Oh, yay. Oh, this is so good. So a little light. I thought this was going to be my color. But you know what we do in Beauty Besties? We're going to make it work, and we're going to make sure I don't walk out of here looking casket ready today. Ooh, Chile. All right, we're going to make this work. Anyways, let's move on. Have you guys been following this Derrick Jaxn mess? So Derrick Jaxn is a huge internet sensation, social media, like relationship guru expert. Well, child, that relationship guru expert, Derrick Jaxn, got put out on Front Street for having an affair with his wife of 4 years. Not only did he have an affair, but he had an affair with this Dominican, Ghanaian, Portuguese woman. Ooh, she sounds exotic. Well, child, she gave a complete exclusive to YouTube sensation and blogger Tasha K. And Okay, so the texture looks good. I still have look a little casket ready, but we're gonna fix that. Saying that she had the receipts to prove that Derrick Jaxn, not only did she have an affair with him, but he had financed trips for her and flew her and her friend to his Atlanta home where they spent a weekend, and she slept all up in that woman's bed, laying it low and spreading it wide. Ooh, a scandalo. Well, so that's going to be too light for my forehead. So I'm going to grab my concealer and I'm going to mix that in and we're going to even this out. Okay. Well, she, like I mentioned, told Tasha K that he flew her to Miami on a lavish trip, her and her friends, gave her money to go shopping with, and then brought her homegirl, and had one of his friends staying up in the house. And she took pictures. And now this is how I know that this is messy. She had to sneak to take the pictures, honey. She took pictures of this man while she was laying in this woman's bed without his knowledge. Because if you know, now y'all know, if this was on the up and up, they would have had pictures together and she would not have to sneak to get her receipts. Now, in addition to this, apparently, he told her that he and his wife were separated when really the wife and the children were in Colorado someplace visiting family. Exactly. And on top of this, sis, if you was this man has a huge following for giving relationship advice. So if you even followed him, you see that he talks about his wife on his platform. So how was he really separated if he was still talking about his wife? But anyways, I digress. He says that, he apologized for his actions. He said that he and his wife were on the road to divorce, and he may have rekindled relationships with other women and had sexual relationships without having sex with this woman, the mistress, allegedly. Oh, and by the way, all of this is alleged in terms of the alleged affair. Anyways, now, I just got a question. How you have a sexual relationship and no sex? Okay? Anyways, Derrick Jaxn went on his whole apology tour, starting one in his office, talking about, the situation, apologizing for it. And then he convinced or possibly just tricked his wife, child, to come downstairs and film a video. So in my head, I could only imagine he was like, honey, breakfast is ready. I love you. And I'm trying to say, I'm sorry, breakfast, come on downstairs. So mama got up out of bed with her bonnet on, came downstairs, and he was like, oh, but before I cook you breakfast, we got to record a video real quick. He did this apology video with his wife with her bonnet on. Yes, a bonnet. Like the kind of bonnet that you sleep in. Meanwhile, he got himself on a nice little sweater, got himself a good old haircut, and she didn't put her contacts in, didn't take the bonnet off or nothing, Jesus, and wearing her pajamas. And they doing this whole apology video where he's apologizing to her and his fans and his public and in third person, by the way. Is that not just a little bit weird? So then he does this video holding his wife's hand, very Andrew Gillum style type of video, by the way. The video with Andrew, his wife, and Tamron Hall. Yeah, very Andrew Gillum. Now he's holding on. My hand hurt looking at this video of how tight he was holding on to his wife's hand. It was the grip of death, child. And you know what? And I got questions. Because if you watch this video, I got a few questions for sis. Sis, 1, blink 2 times and wear yellow if everything's okay. Because the way he's holding onto your hand is giving me very much anime, eat the cake, very much Ike Turner vibes, and your hand looks like it hurts. To the point where I think you lost feeling in your hand as this video was happening, and you possibly regained the feeling once this video got over, but you look uncomfortable. You look like you don't want to be there. The side eye and the nods look forced, and I just want to know, are you okay, sis? Does the FBI need to see this? Does the Secret Service need to see it? Do we need to call the local authorities? That's the first question. Second question, y'all got a little coinage over there because this man got a huge following, wrote some best-selling books, and I'm sure y'all getting paid from Insta and YouTube and everybody else. Where was the coinage to hire somebody to do your hair, to hire somebody to possibly do your makeup? And where was the friend and or family member to just say, sis, take the bonnet off. It's not a good look. Who is doing you a disservice? Oh, your husband did you a disservice because he told you he was cooking breakfast. The fact that there was nobody around to say, hey, sis, take that bonnet off real quick. Zhuzh it up real quick. Throw on a hat. Throw on your Sunday best hat. I would take your Sunday's best hat. Wear the hat that you wear to funerals. You know, the little black, little pillbox hat with the little veil. Wear, because, you know, this was the death of a relationship child. Wear that hat with your black, you know, pajamas. Do something. But she had the nerve to wear her bonnet. The same set-in-line bonnet that she goes to bed in. And is it just me? But I'm really curious here. Why is it that all of a sudden now, when people do and get caught, they want to now throw God all up and through it? Now, don't get me wrong. Know your God, know your Jesus, or whatever you believe in. But guess what? If you knew God, he was with you as you was laying it low and spreading it wide. Derrick Jaxn was her, the mistress, and everybody else that you was cheating on your wife with. So why now you want to throw God all up and through this mess? It makes me feel, it just feels very hypocritical. It also feels very forced. And I just still can't get over you over here tossing around God like y'all homies and such, while you also talking about yourself in third person, like you're your own self or God. And last but not least, sis is better than me, because it would, if I was her, it would be a little waiting to exhale Bernadine action happening in that house with a little splash of Lisa Left Eye Lopez. Google it for those that may not know what Lisa Left Eye Lopez did when she was alive, and a touch of Carol Baskin. I'm just saying, in that Jaxn household. Because what this man has publicly did to his wife, his family, and his friends, baby, he got the right one. And let me tell you something. I also realized, and we talked about this with the whole Andrew Gillum situation, everybody has their own covenant. He said that he has apologized to his wife, and she knows everything down to the women that he has said hello to, which I think that is still a lie, because I can't even remember who I told hello to yesterday. But, sis, here's my prediction. She's going to let this die down, and I guarantee you and I, Beauty Besties, will be having another conversation about how she is filed for divorce in the coming weeks and or months. Mark my words. Now, I got to go. Guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, and leave me a comment. Check the notifications and make sure they're turned on. Who loves you? I do, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.